Hi guys, back with the birds and butterfly journal. I have been playing around. Now I've got this paper bag which I've embossed with beautiful roses, and this guy, all I'm going to do is fold it along where the, can you see that? Where the fold is, with a flap for it, and then I'm going to glue it down. Where's my dustbin gone? Oh dear, can't see it. So that will go there. So now, just thinking what I'm going to do, because I'm going to glue it like this. I love doing this, by the way, with my envelopes. I do this in most of my journals. I just think it looks nice. Yeah, I'm just going to glue it down. There's actually many ways of doing this, but we'll stick with this one. And I'm just leaving it plain white, because leaving something plain is also beautiful, you know, without distressing or putting waxes or mixed media or whatever on it. And let's just, my own rule, not too close to this edge here for the stitching. So let's just, here, that'll be fine. Yep, I just got a message on my phone, so we can just press that down and make sure it sticks well. Now here I am going, this is too small. Actually it's not, it's just perfect for there. Oh dear, I'm getting all sorts of messages now. And then I'm going to glue this guy on top to make a pocket. And later we will fill it, although like I say, this kit comes with so much in it, lots of tags. There we go. And so we have a pocket here, which I'll show you how I did that later. It looked fabulous. I wasn't going to put a lot of lace and stuff on here, but I'm going to. But you can decide not to, you know, if it's not your style. But I'll only do that at the end. Probably even once it's sewn in, because it's just easier to sew in when there's less. So we have pocket there. I'll probably do a nice little card to go here. And then we can do, you see, all these are in the kit. Look at that. Yep, I'm just going to make that pocket there too, with one of the postcards. Of course, if you don't have this, using a different kit, just cut out a pocket with whatever paper you are using. Even mixed media, you know, sometimes I also only do it at the end, and then I have to leave the journal to dry, but that's okay. That's okay. I've got the pest control coming today because the ants in this house. If I leave Jota's food down, Jota is my puppy, my what is he, a Yorkie cross pom. He's just too gorgeous and stubborn as hell. I spent 20 minutes chasing him yesterday to get him back inside, and he just ignored us totally. And then he was going towards the road. Oh my goodness, you know, and I can't run very well or move very well anymore. And this guy was I was so scared that a car was going to come along, and he just doesn't listen. So that's on this, where we did this yesterday. This one is coming off there, it's not sticking. I could put some glue down to stick it down, but you know what, it's going to come off. So that's going to go there. Now I want to keep this closed, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this tag, and I haven't cut it apart, I've kept it together, and I am just, unfortunately, I've only got these big ones, magnets, and these are very strong, which is what I want. Do I have one? I've only got one left there, so that's no good. Normally I would put a small one. So So all I'm going to do is put a magnet on here. I may or may not cover it, I don't know. Maybe I'll put some washi tape over it. I mean, it doesn't have to be hidden. So, about there. And now we need a plus. I did try and get when I was in Portugal, but I wanted to bring a whole lot back with me, but they would have arrived too late, you know. What's the point? So what is the point? So this is quite nifty because now it's strong. Let me just pull that because I want it to lie nicely. There we go. There we go. So now we can. Wow. I'm definitely, because now I can't take it apart, can I? Because they're so strong. Okay, so I think I'm just going to use washi tape across it. Once again, I have to find here. Yeah, let's put it across just like so, nothing special. And I just want to tear it rather than cut it, because then maybe. And now we can do this one. If you want to make something else to put across it, knock yourself out. Yeah, and that should make it easier, but it's lovely. Maybe I'll do a little sticker or something, we'll see. So now this baby will keep, yeah, you see it's much easier to take it apart. So this, and I'm doing it a totally different, I could have used this one, I might still, and this will go like so and keep everything together. You see that? I'm really there, like so. So we have, I've just put these things in here. This is an envelope that comes with the kit. And I stuck this envelope, coin envelope. Remember, this was an envelope, but I didn't print it nicely. It came out skew, so I cut it off. So now I'm just going to make it into this. And I think it goes perfectly in here with a little tag. Writing, and then we have this. And when you turn it over, we have that. I just think that stands out more, and then I'm definitely adding lace, guys, but that's a matter of preference. If you don't want to, then you know, you don't. Oh dear, my dustbin. Okay, I mean, and this page, what are we going to do here? I know what I want to do here. This is left over from the last journal we made. You see why I don't throw stuff away. I just don't, and I'm just thinking I'm going to make, fortunately my gun is on, I'm just going to make another little pocket here for this. Actually, yeah, my intention was to make a pocket. Okay. I think that's a bit dry there now. Let's make a tiny pocket, and we can make a tiny tag or a tiny envelope. So I have used a few pretty paper that I've got in my stash. That's not part of this kit, but I still think it's Janie B journaling paper or journaling kit, and it's just beautiful. Again, I'll have to check that. So now this is what we are going to do. I have stitched this envelope that comes with the kit, and as you can see, it's just neutral cream color that I've stitched it with. So I am going to close it now, and at a later stage we may or may not add something inside. I'm just seeing where this goes. Yeah, it doesn't go all the way to the top, which is fine. So yeah, that will be fine. I just want to make it a bit wider, you know, because it's going on the flap, so the flap doesn't get in the way. So we have done this page, and now we're going to do the fundamentals for this page. So let's just take this out, and we are going to do this. And remember, I'm going to move it slightly out. It'll be sticking out the page, but that's fine. Just put this away, and I am going to glue it down. But I also want to make it into a so let's I moved it a little bit. Let's just line it up. Yes, down we go. So I am going to put glue along here, and then glue on there, and glue, went a bit crooked there, on there. So we can use it as a flap. I mean, a tuck spot, I suppose. So let's just, you know me, I like to press my stuff down well, and it does stick out on the edge. That's a good thing. Alright, so that'll have a nice flap there to reveal the bird and something inside. And then I used the card. This is a card that's in the kit, and I made a pretty border, and I just made it into what I call a lazy pocket, so it's only two-sided. I'm not going to put three-sided. It just makes a pocket less tight, but without the bulk of this one. So this guy, I'm just going to bring this down. I am going to take off a little bit more off the bottom, and you're going to see why in a moment. So this is actually about 3.5 inches. So I'm going to take about 1/2 inch off the bottom there. Yeah, that's perfect. And I'm going to glue it down. I hope you're having fun with me. I am. You just need to put glue along the bottom. It doesn't have to go right to the edge. I never put it right to that edge because it's just purely to prevent anything from falling out. So just a little bit of glue in the middle there. And we are going to put that there. Yep. And then we are going to use one of these tags, which we will liven up, and of course everything still has to be livened up, and this tag is going to act as closure for that. See? And then now I must show you I made a little pocket. Oh my gosh, my desk is starting to get full of stuff again. Here it is. All right, I made this pocket. Again, so easy. It's just, you know, to add something with a little bit of interest in here. So I'm just going to reach for my gorgeous music book that I love so much. Let's tear out the page. And then we are going to turn it like so. And just do like so. Press it down, and what I did here is I used some washi tape. You actually don't even need to put it all the way down, just there. Just gives a bit of shape there. Of course this will be, you know, decorated. Can't put that in without decorating it. So let's cut that. And then we can stick it down. Don't even need to cut it. Just stick it down like so. Then, probably should have used glue again with this, but anyway, it's fine. Now you're going to fold it, but not all the way. There. Just to there is fine. Okay. Fun little pockets to make. Now we have a choice here. You can do this. Let's do it here. I think I showed this in my other one as well. And you can make an extra tuck spot there, which actually I think is going to be nice. And then we can just cut this there. Let me just cut this a little bit straighter here. And then I stitched. I'm not going to stitch this one now. Well, this one is ready. It's not quite the same. This one I actually, that's what I meant as well, you see. So you can fold that to make a different pocket there with an extra thing, or you can cut this part off and just stitch it like this one has been. Okay, so I'm just going to put this aside. Oh, but I wanted to do something else here. Actually, I think it's enough because we have this guy here and that there. And then we have this double pocket here. Plus we're going to put probably just something on there. Yeah. Okay, now I won't show you this time because then I'm just going to confuse the issue. So let's put this guy down. Oh, by the way, this guy can also be used that way. It can be used that way. It does stick up a bit because of the stitching, but that's also very nice. Maybe we'll do that one for here so you can have a thing there and a thing there. I'm just wondering now. Now I've got the other one. Let me stick with what I was going to do. So I'm just going to put this here. Stick it down. See, I like to put my pockets and stuff in, and then I know what ephemera I need to make rather than making the ephemera beforehand. But you know, everybody is different. I just happen to prefer it to do my ephemera when I know what I need. Yeah. So there we go. So now we have, let's bring this back. So far we have that. That's your closure there. Then it opens to that. And then I cut some of these die cuts. I'm sure you've all seen these on Alibaba and stuff, you know, places like that. None of them go there. And so I do want to use it somewhere else because there is pink in here, you see. So I thought maybe that's not very straight. I would use this, say, as a tuck spot here. This isn't folded nicely here, so I'm just straightening it. There we go. So what I was thinking, that'll just make a nice tuck spot there. Or this one. Or there's a little pocket there, or tuck spot. But you know the trouble with these? They're so flimsy, it's actually better to put them on some, or glue it down. Doesn't really go on that paper. I mean, what if I was to glue it down? See, I think that would be better if I was going to use it as a pocket. Thinking, guys. Thinking. Oh, I could put it there. maybe do some glitterati in there. Or should I put it there? But I'm liking this part here because look, the greens go. So I'm just going to cut this up quickly. Like so. And what if we turn this that's pretty this way. Oh, I like that. And we could turn this into a little flap as well. Let's make a flap. But I'm not going to, and the flap obviously is going to be on this side. I'm not going to give it a full. I'm just going to do, I think that should be fine. Just less than 1/4 of an inch. So let's fold that. So it will go that side, and then we will have this guy. Not liking that. Not really liking that. No, I don't like that there. We could do, I'm just going to put that fold there and think about afterwards. This is quite nice. I'm going to cut that. That looks nice, and it just about fits on here. If we put that off, make a fold, then we need something here, I think, you know, on the rest of the page. Let's see what we have here. I reckon I just cut this out to make a pocket. So I'm going to do that, guys. And why not? Just a normal, no-nonsense pocket here. And I think I have to cut it out a little bit more because it's a little bit wide. So we can stick you in here in this pocket. I'm going to put it a little bit up. Like so. And that can go quite fine there. Yes, I like that. So I'm going to put that there. And here. Again, I'm leaving to show the stitching on the bottom. And we are going to put this guy a little bit up. Doesn't have to be down. And let's push it in nicely. That should be fine. Oh, you're not supposed to stick there. Press that down. Then we have that, and then I'm thinking a bit plain up there. So Where's my other book? Shooey, it's hot in my room now because everything is closed because the fumigation guy has just been. And you see, I kept this from a book which is, you know, presented in 1947 and 48. I might even use it in here. Even this can be used for writing on, and it's vintage. It's probably older than the 40s. I mean, how about, what if we was to stick this guy in here? It's perfect. But you know what? I think I'm going to scan this. I'm going to scan it. Yeah, we have there. And then, but I was saying it's a little bit plain here. So let's go back to here. And I just want to see if there's any, I just want a small piece, you know. Let's take from here. I don't know if this is going to work, but we'll have a look. I want that gone. I want to put that there. Let's put that there. And then I've only got reds on here. That's no good. I think I have to make, oh, I'm running out, guys. I'm running out. Like I said, I use this a lot. So let's put some of this as well. And I don't think I want it quite so thick or so wide. Not thick, it's not thick. Just a bit of that. And then I will probably do, I think this is German, I'm not sure. Why not? A little bit of decoration, and then I might later add, because I haven't cut them out, these numbers that come with the kit. Hey, 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 hey. Just a little bit. So there we have something. No closure there. Yeah. And I wanted to put a pocket on here with this. So I just also need to take a little bit off. And I think that'll be fine. And this is just a plain pocket to take, you know, one tag or whatever we're going to put in there. Very pretty. Go down there. Yeah, I did cut these out. They're very, very cute. Let's say we just, but I want to do other stuff with this. But you know what? It can go in here for the moment. Fly high. I quite like that there. I like that. I'm going to put it down. Let's do it. Fly high. Here we go. Taking a bit of shape there. And maybe later, I've got this gold paste, but I'm not going to do that now. The glamour paste, which I might put a little bit here and there. So there we have well, like 2 pages. So we've done this guy with the envelope. And why are you sticking there? Okay. That goes here. We've done this. I mean, even this will go nice. Lovely. We can still put, let's say, a thing there. And this will go beautifully here. And I'm just looking for arbitrary stuff now, because I'm going to use cutouts. I mean, this is not going to go there. Let's use this one, let's say. I'm liking it, and then we turn. I think we'll just figure out what to do there. And we have that. Of course, we can put something, can even add this in here. I like that. I'm going to cut this out. And we will do something with this later. So that will go. Maybe we'll put a butterfly in that corner, and maybe we'll put some more. Look at this one. Maybe, you see this is cutouts as well, but I put this on. You know, maybe we should make a sticker out of this bird. We'll see. We shall see what we shall see. Okay, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And I think we need to do, but we need writing space too. So I think I'm going to just leave that. Maybe a little bit of glimmer paste or something there. And then, why are you sticking? There. We will come back and work on some more pages. See you for the next one. Ciao.